In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule a video to post on Facebook, all from your WordPress website. This is by using ClickSocial, an all-in-one tool that makes managing your social media accounts a breeze. To get started, visit clicksocial.com and sign up for an account. After that, you'll have to install ClickSocial on your WordPress dashboard and connect to your account. I've already done that ahead of time. And next, all we have to do is connect our Facebook account. Click on Add New, then click on Add Account. Here you can see all the platforms supported by ClickSocial. You can schedule posts for Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Let's go ahead and select Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you can see all the Facebook pages connected to your account here. Go ahead and select the one you want to connect to ClickSocial, and click Continue. Next, you can also select the Facebook business account connected to your Facebook page. Select it and click Continue. Here you can see all the permissions you provide in ClickSocial from Facebook. Click on Save, then click on Got It. And instantly we have our Facebook account connected to ClickSocial, and we can begin scheduling our posts. On the left-hand side under ClickSocial, go into Calendar. Now our Facebook account is visible under Connected Accounts. Let's select our Facebook page, and here we can see the default posting time slots that are available inside ClickSocial. Let's go ahead and modify this before we schedule our post. To do that, click on Edit Schedule, and right here we can see all the posting time slots that are currently enabled. Monday through Friday, we're posting 3 times a day at 12 p.m., 2 p.m., and 3 p.m. Let's modify this so that we're only posting at 5 p.m. every day of the week. First, let's remove the existing time slots. To remove them, we can click on the bin icon and click Remove. Let me fast forward and remove all these time slots. Alright, so now we have a clean slate, so we can add the other dates as well. So we can go ahead and enter our new posting time. To add a new time slot, click on the plus icon, and we can open up this drop down that says Add Time. We can specify the hour, let's go with 5, the minutes, and also the time of day, so 5 p.m. Once that's done, just click on the blue check mark, and that will be added inside ClickSocial. Let me fast forward and do this for the rest of the week as well. There we go. And now you can see that we have a 5 p.m. posting time slot, Monday through Friday. And underneath that, you can see that Saturday and Sunday are not enabled. To enable it, just click on the check mark beside it, and that day will be enabled inside our posting schedule. You can do the same thing for Sunday as well. And I'll quickly fast forward and add a 5 p.m. time slot into these 2 days as well. Right, so our posting schedule is good to go. And if you're happy with it, you can click on Save Changes. Back inside our ClickSocial dashboard, you'll notice that our posting time slots have updated to feature the new time slots we created. We now have a 5 p.m. posting time slot every day of the week. Let's go ahead and schedule our Facebook post now. To do that, we can either select one of these posting time slots we created, or we can click on Add New. Click on Add New, and this will open up the ClickSocial Composer window where you can craft your posts. At the top, you can see your profile picture, account name, and account handle. You can begin writing your caption underneath this. I've already got my caption ready, so I can copy it and paste it just like this. After that, we can add the media for our post. With ClickSocial, you can share images, WordPress blog posts, and videos. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can share videos on Facebook. So let's go with the video option. This will open up your WordPress media library where you can select your video. You can select any existing video from your site, or you can upload a new video like this. Once that's uploaded and selected, click on Use this media file. Our video has now been added to our post, and you can see it over here. Next, if we click on Preview, you can see a preview of what that post will look like on Facebook. You have your caption, and you have the video underneath. Okay, so let's go back into Editor, and for the last step, we have to specify when we want to publish this post. Beside Publish, you'll notice that it says Now, so if we click on that, we can modify the time that we want to schedule our post. On the left-hand side, you can see a calendar, where you can choose the exact date you want to schedule this post for. Once the date is selected, on the right-hand side, you can see all the available posting time slots that we've created before that are available for that day. You can select it like this, or you can even select the custom time by clicking on this button here. This will let you select a custom time to publish your post. But for this example, let's go and publish it right now. So we can click on the button on the top right corner that says Now. After that, all we have to do is click on Schedule. And instantly our post has now been scheduled inside ClickSocial, and we can see it at the top here. You can see a preview of the caption and when that post is being published. And if we open this up, you can see the preview for that post too. And if you'd like to modify it before posting it, just go to the Editor tab, and you can make any changes you'd like to over here. And if you do so, just click on Update Post. Now, while we wait for our post to be published, let's go and schedule another post for tomorrow. So we can go and select this posting time slot for tomorrow. And just like before, we can paste the caption for our post. Next, we can click on the video icon to add a video to this post. I'm going to upload my second video, and after selecting it, we can click on Use this media file. Our second video post has now been composed inside ClickSocial. If we click on the preview, you can see what it would look like. We have the caption and the video underneath. I'm pretty happy with that, so we can go back into Editor, and down below, because we selected that predefined posting time slot, our post has automatically been scheduled for that time. So that's tomorrow at 5 p.m. Next, you can schedule it straight away or save it as a draft to publish later. Let's go ahead and schedule it. Click here, and our second post has now been scheduled to publish on Facebook. In just a few simple steps, we've scheduled 2 Facebook videos to publish automatically from WordPress. Now let's go to our Facebook account and see if that first video has been published. Here we are now on our Facebook page, and if I scroll down, we can look for that Facebook video that's just been published. And here it is. This is the one that we just published from ClickSocial. We open this up. This is the exact video that we shared from ClickSocial from our WordPress website, and on the right-hand side, we have the caption, which we crafted inside the ClickSocial Composer window. And that's all there is to it. This is how easy it is to schedule and post a Facebook video, all from your WordPress website using ClickSocial. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team, and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and have a great one.